Do you know how to determine if a product is Zhaga certified? If you want to know, listen to me. First, the Zhaga certification is handled by the Zhaga Mark Licensing Board, Zhaga LLA, and the certification mark is Z. Zhaga LLA is responsible for issuing product certification certificates, authorizing testing laboratories, monitoring compliance, and managing inappropriate Zhaga signage. Zhaga consortium members according to the specification of production of a product through the certification. The certification mark can be printed on the LLE, LED module, ECC, lamp holder, and other positions. To date, 174 LLE products have been certified by Zhaga. For example, LongJoin GL700 socket. Above this is the obvious product with Zhaga certification. I'm Aubrey from Shanghai LongJoin. In this video, you should know how to determine whether a product is Zhaga certified. Want to know more content? Welcome to leave a message to tell me. Please don't forget to give a like to my video if it helps you. Bye!